welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to show you how today because we're going sweet. We're going to do a sweet treat. These are raspberry lemonade bars. They're like a lemon bar. They have that awesome cookie crust. We're going to do a lemon infused cookie crust. We're going to do a raspberry topper on these that is just so smooth and delicious. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for making my Mondays a lot more fun. Thank you so much for your comments below. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below. Ring that bell so you don't miss any of my videos coming out every Monday. We are all across the board, sweet and savory, beverages, entrees, everything you can imagine. So we're gonna put together these raspberry lemonade bars really quick. Actually very simple to put together. Put them in the fridge and you can have them ready for any garden party, any bridal shower, any baby shower, any get together that you may have this summer. They're super refreshing. We're gonna use fresh lemon juice, so it's gonna really bring that pucker factor, and then we have awesome raspberries in here as well. So these are delicious. Sit back, relax, and let's get cooking. We're going to tackle these bars in two parts. We're going to start with our crust, or it's like a sugar cookie almost on the bottom. We have all-purpose flour. We're also going to add some whole wheat flour because you know that I'm going to try and make these healthy where I can, and a little lemon zest. That's where that lemon infusion comes in. So this cookie, that lemon carries all the way through. We're going to blend this in our processor just until it's mixed, because now we're going to add some nice chilled butter. And this can be an oil of any choice. You can use coconut oil, canola oil, any other oil that you prefer. We're gonna give this a little zap, and we want it to resemble sand once it is all mixed together. So as soon as you have that beautiful texture, we're gonna put it in an 8-inch square baking pan. So we're gonna spray this with a little bit of cooking oil of your choice as well, just so it doesn't stick. We're gonna dump it all in here, and we wanna press it down. We want it to be as level as we can get it. Don't press it too much, but do get it formed in here. We're gonna bake this in the oven, 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Quickly put together your topping because we want this to go on the hot crust. So I'm using raspberries. You can do strawberries as well on this, or we can go straight lemon. We're gonna strain out the seeds in this, and this is where you have to use a little patience and get all of that beautiful puree pushed through here. And again, if you did strawberries, you're still gonna wanna do this. Any berry that you use that has seeds, we're gonna wanna get those seeds out just so it has that really smooth, delicious creamy custard. So these are all the seeds. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of those, and this is our beautiful raspberry puree. Now, in a bowl, we're gonna add some flour, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt. Here's our lemon juice. So again, we're pulling that lemon all the way through, and this is our puree, our raspberry puree that we're gonna mix in here too. You're gonna whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. Now I keep saying it's like a custard on top, and you're gonna see that we are going to add 4 large eggs to this. So this is where it firms up and makes that custard type texture. So here comes our 4 eggs, and you're gonna whip this really good. And like I said, we are gonna pour this over our hot cookie crust. And as soon as your mixture is over that, we're gonna pop it back in the oven for about 23 minutes. Mine took a little bit longer than that. And we just wanna make sure that it's set in the middle. Off it goes, and just a nice little jiggle here, and it is done. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. This is one, I'm gonna call it a chilled bite because we do keep them in the fridge, but these are delicious. So they're beautiful. I wanna show you the cookie crust. We have our awesome cookie crust. We have our raspberry lemonade popper, and these are really good. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. We just did that little dusting of powdered sugar over the top. I, of course, did a little mint garnish on here. You don't have to eat that part, but let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my goodness. Boy, the lemon in this is so good. The raspberries are there. I'm going to show you again the division of the cookie and the topping. These are so good. They're sweet. That cookie crust is really hearty and holds up to this. These are delicious. Oh, and did I forget to tell you? 180 calories per serving. So this pan makes 16 bars for one of those bars. 160 calories. That's not so bad for a wonderful sweet treat. Most desserts are going to range from, on the low end, most desserts are going to be 250 plus calories. So this is a really great, sweet, delicious treat at the end of your barbecue and the end of your meal. So I love you guys, and I'll see you next week.